Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We are here at Integrate 2017. I'm here with BTC Direct CEO Brian Murray. How are you doing, Brian?
Very good, Gary.
First off, a little bit about your organization, BTC Direct, based in Australia. You are, I believe, one of the, if not the exclusive dealer for Zoom here in Australia, right?
Yes, as you know, Zoom has a direct model. They do sell directly, but they have a few resellers. And the reason they have resellers is because they don't sell the hardware. If people want a Zoom room with all the cameras and speakerphones and to fit out a boardroom or huddle room or that type of thing, yeah.
And the thing that's interesting about Zoom rooms and what's made them popular is it's sort of a turnkey concept that allows you to take a small and medium-sized meeting room and turn it into a video conferencing suite with a software-based codec system, of which Zoom is one of the big leaders right now. And you can marry both the Panicast camera systems with that and Panicast 2 systems with that, along with the other hardware like the interactive boards and the collaboration boards, and you're able to provide a complete solution that way.
Yeah, and if we get time, I'll show you now that Zoom has integrated the controls into a touchscreen over here. So whereas before in the Zoom room you had to run everything off an iPad, this is pretty new. You can have it all in a touchscreen, start a meeting, invite people to the meeting, switch cameras, manage participants, lock, mute, do all the things that you'd normally do on a computer, all on a touchscreen. So we see this very much as the future. Invite people who can join from an iPad, an Android phone, an iPhone, a PC, a Linux, anything, and share content. So it's pretty powerful. Whereas in the past, as you know, Gary, that a lot of codec-based systems like Polycom and Cisco and Tandberg, and the move to the cloud-based stuff is really rapid.
Yeah, and so this is, as long as you have an interactive display, you don't need the iPad or you don't need a third-party device to be able to control it. You're controlling it right on the same display that's displaying the content.
Yeah, exactly. So I think Zoom is pretty advanced in that, you know, obviously there's a lot of competitors, but Zoom's getting a lot of traction. As you know, a lot of big companies have moved to it, yeah.
Now, I'm a big fan of the Panicast camera systems, 4K, 180 degree camera. Are they popular here?
Yes, I guess it's fairly new here, but we've had a lot of interest here on the stand. We've got one on display, and it seems to be we've had quite a few universities and schools. They're the type of people that seem to want that wide, you know, for the classrooms and things like that, yeah.
Exactly. And you literally, the nice thing about a camera like that is you can literally sit up right up against the monitor, so you're not wasting any space in the room. You can make a small room where you can put a camera on top of a monitor and still see everyone in the room regardless of where they're sitting.
I've always thought the more natural orientation for a conference room is really the wide one, you know. When you see a big long boardroom and the screen right up the end, it doesn't make sense. So right. I think that way is better, yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you as well. So how do people get more information and how do they buy from you?
Well, we're the distributors and we have Jocelyn here from Ava in Taiwan. So we're the official exclusive distributors of all the Ava USB cameras. So I guess our main strength is we combine the Zoom software with the Ava cameras and the Panicast and Yamaha with the speakerphones, and we can fit out a whole conference room or huddle room. And we've done some huge rooms, like we also sell the Devio, the Biamp with the ceiling mics and things like that, where you can get quite a huge room, you know, involved. So just look up BTC Direct in Australia and we're happy to help you.
It's BTC Direct, and of course, as we've talked about, Zoom rooms, you have the ability to incorporate everything in the Zoom room here in Australia. So we're going to go and shoot individual videos on the products here in addition to this interview. So if you want individual information on the Yamaha product, the Panicast camera, the Zoom rooms, all you have to do is type any of those in the video search window. Of course, BTC Direct. Brian, thank you very much. I appreciate you joining me today.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, and thanks for watching.